welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. Today we're here with the April Boxycharm premium unboxing. I think I am going to do one more month of Boxycharm and then I'm going to cancel it. Not for really any real reason other than, well, I don't know, maybe this box will be amazing. We'll see. That's how I'm feeling right now, you know? Lots of stuff. So we're going to open this box and see what is in the April Boxy Premium. So if you want to see what I got in my box, then just keep watching. Before we get into it, if you are new here, my name is Amanda. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any video suggestions, let me know. I feel like I want to change up some things, but I don't know what. You know. It's also rainy and crappy, so just like I want to change the weather mainly. That's what I want to change. Anyway, let's open up the Boxycharm Premium. This theme, oh, the paper always opens up when I open the box. The theme is Boxy Spring Revival. I know I got to choose two things and I could not tell you what they were. I feel like they were both skincare. We'll see if it jogs my memory as we go through this. So the first, let's just take the paper out, okay? Oh, okay, so this is the first thing. I do remember this. This is the Herbivore Bakuchiol Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. And this is a naturally derived plant-based serum that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and visibly fights signs of aging without synthetics or irritating effects. Gentle enough for most sensitive skin types, Bakuchiol supports surface cell turnover with its retinoic effect. This retails for $54. I've only ever tried one other thing from Herbivore, and I think it was a face mask. Maybe I've tried. It's been a very long time since I've tried anything from Herbivore. The packaging is very cute. It's very minimalistic, which I like. It looks very, you know, kind of like an apothecary. I've never used a Bakuchiol serum. I have used a Bakuchiol skin wash, face wash from Dr. Novia that I actually loved. Like, I loved it. So when I saw that this was one of the choices, I thought, oh, okay, yes, we'll try that. Okay, this smells like literally nothing. And it's kind of, yeah, it's like a gel consistency. It's very pretty. That was the first item, and I did choose this item. I can't remember what the other options were, but they were, I feel like they were all skincare, and I was like, why? Why? I want makeup. Okay, so the other four things in here, like, none of these look familiar to me. So I don't know. The next thing is another skincare item. This is from Murad. This is the Clarifying Oil-Free Water Gel. I actually just got a big box of skincare from Murad, so I already own this. This is the non-comedogenic gel moisturizer for oily and acne-prone skin that intensely hydrates, exfoliates, and visibly refines for a balanced, non-greasy looking finish. That all sounds lovely. This retails for $46. Since I already own this, I'm gonna pass this one on to someone else, but I am excited to try it after that description. Oh, hello. Next we have something from Mitchell and Peach. And I can't think if I've heard of this brand, or I think I've heard of this brand. You know? This is the English Growers English Leaf Body Oil. I mean, okay. The packaging, the box is cute. Oh. Okay. I don't know what I thought it was going to look like, but this wasn't it. It's blended with almond oil and vitamin E. This decadent body oil leaves skin soft and scented. This retails for $68. Wait, it says that there's like another thing that I don't have. Okay, so I'm missing something. Anyways, yeah, body oil is never something that I'm gonna choose. What does it smell like? It's a very mild but earthy scent. What is this? Also, I'm gonna tell you right now, I do not like this applicator. So you have to dump the oil out. Could we get a pump? I don't know. This is not anything that excites me. I will attempt to use it, but I mean, I'm annoyed that I have to contact them. I've also had this box for like a week and it's just been sitting here and I haven't had time to open it, so. Next we have something from My Beauty Brand by Me. This is a black liquid liner. Your new holy grail product created for both the eyeliner expert and the winged eye novice. The flexible felt tip combined with highly pigmented, smudge-proof color guarantees a long-lasting and intensely defined look. This is $20. It does mention that the Mitchell and Peach, and then also this brand and the brand that I don't actually have in here are new brands to Boxy, so that is fun to get new brands to try. This is a felt tip eyeliner. I never wear liquid eyeliner, ever. I'm not even going to swatch this because, oh, it marked on the lid too. I'm not even going to swatch this because I just never use this product. You know, like I'd rather just save it and give it to someone who loves liquid liner. And that's not me. So that's kind of a bummer. The last product that I have in here is something from Natasha Denona. And this is the Cupid Cheek Duo. A perfect pairing of Natasha's iconic cheek formula. The Cupid Cheek Duo features a lightweight hydrating cream blush and a luminous powder highlighter in 2 shades that flatter all skin tones. Both formulas can be applied with a brush or fingertips, meaning it's all you need for on-the-go glow. So this is the Natasha Denona. I like the blush color. The highlight, like on camera it looks okay, but in person it looks really dark. Here's the thing about Natasha Denona. It just doesn't interest me. And I don't know why, because I still have the retro palette that I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag, and I haven't used it yet. Every time I go to use it, I just look at it and think, I'm just not interested in this. I don't know the palette is beautiful, the colors are beautiful, this blush is beautiful, the highlight is beautiful. I don't know what it is, but nothing about the brand like makes me want to use it. I don't know if I'm scared that I will love it and it's a higher priced brand or what. But that's so bizarre. Most people are like, oh my gosh, a high-end brand in here, like Natasha Denona. I'm like, yeah, I just don't want to use this. What is wrong with me? I think I'm too hillbilly for just so many brands. I'm just too hillbilly for it. It's fine. This retails for $42. The other item in here is in Endota Hydrating Lip Balm, which sounds awesome. That retails for $25. Protect your pout with this natural organic lip balm that's packed with super hydrating ingredients. Glossy finish, cocoa butter, calendula, vitamin E. Ooh, peppermint oil gives a hint of freshness. I'm so annoyed that it's not in here. That sounds lovely. That sounds like the thing I'm probably most excited about. So that was the April Boxycharm. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm. What is wrong with me and not wanting to love Natasha Denona? What's wrong with me? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you will subscribe if you haven't already. And I will talk to you in my next video.